So check out what I've got today. Got a loaner. It's a Kershaw Launch 2, partially serrated, CPM 154 on the blade steel, made in the USA, aluminum handles, reversible tip up pocket clip. Got some cool cuts for flow. We've got a lanyard hole in the back, that's pretty cool. Just a really good American made, I would dare say budget friendly automatic. It hits pretty hard. You gotta hold on to this thing because it wants to kick out. It's just a really great design. I feel like it's very lightweight for being an automatic. Aluminum scales helps with that. Just a really cool design. I believe that it's discontinued, so if you can find one, I'd grab one. This is a loaner from my buddy at Barely Built Right. Told him I wouldn't keep it too long because I'm already falling in like with it. I don't want to fall in love. But just a really great budget. I keep saying budget, but this thing is made really good. The only other things that you could possibly do to make this a better knife is upgrade the blade steel and then the handle materials, but the way that it is right now is solid for the price. Like I said, they don't make this one anymore. This one's discontinued, but they were running, I'd say, around $140 depending. And they've got several models now, so you can pick your flavor. But I just think this is a really cool design, really good in hand, and a rare find for me. I don't think I've ever handled a Kershaw auto before. It just feels really good in the hand. Lightweight, strong, dependable. If you can find a Kershaw Launch 2, I recommend grabbing one. And if you can't, there's a lot of other ones on the market right now. I think they're up to like the 14, 15. So you're bound to find your flavor. And that thwack when this thing kicks open is just so satisfying. One more time.